We reported earlier in the program, Pfizer officially walks away from its $150 billion Allergan merger. This as we're learning that the Department of Justice is signaling an antitrust lawsuit aimed at blocking another deal, Halliburton-Baker Hughes. That could come at any moment. Fox Business Network's Adam Shapiro with the details right now from Washington, D.C. And Adam, I've been saying earlier, this administration feels like it's going out with a bang, upping these regulations going into the end of the term.
Yeah, Maria, the headline here is the administration might be going out with a club. It has stopped several deals over the last several years, but these are mega deals that might be good for shareholders, but the Obama administration says is bad for business. So let's get into this. The $35 billion deal is still in play between the number 2 and number 3 oil service companies, but it faces a giant roadblock. Fox has confirmed the Justice Department is planning to file a lawsuit to stop the merger between Halliburton and Baker Hughes. Now, the deal, first announced in 2014, included elements which had Halliburton and Baker Hughes selling smaller portions of their businesses, about $7.5 billion in value there, but that would have satisfied European and U.S. regulators who expressed concern the merger would be anti-competitive and drive up costs. Now, this is just one, as I said, of several mega deals federal regulators from the Obama administration have attempted to kill in the past few years. There was the AT&T purchase of T-Mobile USA and General Electric's plan to sell its appliance arm to Electrolux and Comcast Corporation's attempt to buy Time Warner Cable. Those deals were dropped when regulators stepped in or threatened to step in and fight the deals in court. Halliburton's chief executive, Dave Lesar, said earlier this year that the proposed merger would actually be good for the oil services industry and its customers because it would keep costs lower. I don't need to tell you, at a time when oil prices have dropped. Fox Business reached out to Baker Hughes for comment. They declined to comment. The Wall Street Journal reports this morning the Justice Department is looking at other high-profile mergers, like the $54 billion Anthem-Cigna deal and the $34 billion Aetna merger with Humana, Inc. The Federal Trade Commission actually has cracked down on mega deals, too. It's fighting in court to stop the $6 billion Staples Office Depot merger. But we could get a ruling on that as soon as next week, or in 2 weeks, rather, Maria. And the judge in that case is not happy with the federal government.
Well, we'll see about that, Adam. I mean, do you think this is a signal for the rest of corporate America to expect more pressure from the government? I mean, I know it's two different stories here. You've got the antitrust story with the Baker Hughes situation, and then you've got the tax story with the Allergan-Pfizer deal.
It's a pattern that you can see. When you look at these individually, you think, yeah, maybe they're going after mergers that would be bad for customers. But look at the pattern. There have been several deals that the administration has taken a big club and just gone bomb and stopped.
Yeah, Adam, thank you. Adam Shapiro is in D.C. this morning.